Good morning, judges. Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Huta Valavalkar, and I'll be presenting my paper named Blood Pressure and Heart Rate Alteration Through Music in Patients Undergoing Cataract Extraction Surgery. There were no financial or other competing interests. The goal of every surgeon is to prevent complications and provide comfort.
Yes.
And provide comfort to the patient as much as possible. Even minor surgical procedures can produce anxiety in patients in anticipation of events that will be unfamiliar and uncomfortable. Intraoperative anxiety can affect patients' post-operative recovery and increase risk for physiological complications. Music is an easily administered, non-threatening, non-invasive, and inexpensive tool to calm pre-operative and intraoperative anxiety. Music has proven over the years to provide comfort from a discomforting condition, familiarity in a strange environment, and distraction from fear, pain, and anxiety. Aims of the study was to find out whether the utilization of the above mentioned properties of music be done effectively in reducing the anxiety among patients undergoing cataract extraction, and also to find out whether the type of anesthesia used will affect the anxiety levels of the patient undergoing cataract surgery while listening to music. In this prospective observational study, 300 patients diagnosed with senile cataract falling in the age group 40 to 80 years were selected. Patients not given medicine fitness, psychiatric condition in the patient, and deaf patients were excluded from the study, along with patients not giving consent. Patients were divided in three groups. The music intervention group with topical anesthesia, group A, the music intervention group with local anesthesia, group B, and a control group, no music group, group C. All surgeries were performed by a single surgeon in a duration of 6 months. Along with the routine preoperative investigations, blood pressure and heart rates of all patients were measured and noted down by a single examiner before surgery. Both the music intervention groups were made to listen to classical sitar music during surgery. Phacoemulsification surgery under local anesthesia was performed in all patients except in the topical music intervention group where topical anesthesia was used. Blood pressure and heart rates were measured and noted down by the same examiner post-operatively. The gender-wise distribution was as follows: 50% males and 50% females were present in all the three groups. The mean age in three groups was about 66 to 68 years. Assessment of clinical parameters in the three groups: systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure, and pulse rate were assessed separately in all the three groups, in which it was found out that in group A and group B, where music was intervened, post-operatively the blood pressure and heart rates were decreased, whereas in group C, it was significantly increased. Discussion: our study proved that there was a statistically significant effect of music in normalizing the heart rate and blood pressure. The groups that listened to music showed decrease in blood pressure and heart rate, whereas the group which did not listen to music showed an increase in both the parameters. The group which underwent cataract extraction under topical anesthesia showed more marked stabilizing of blood pressure and heart rates compared to the group undergoing surgery under local anesthesia. No significant effect of gender and age on the clinical parameters was established. Studies have proven that the clinically measurable influence of music on factors such as arterial blood pressure is related to molecular changes regarding opiates and cytokine processes. Also, the distraction that music offers from the surgical procedure has been reported as a favorable effect of music, which becomes even more valuable when patients listen to music of their preference. This may offer them a sense of personal control and reminds them of a familiar home environment. The effect of topical anesthesia on decreasing the anxiety in patients in our study could be due to the lack of discomfort and pain caused due to the peribulbar block. Our study also has a number of limitations. The major limitation was that no cortisol and serological tests were applied to patients. These tests are the most reliable indicators of stress measurement. Additionally, the selected piece of music was determined by the researchers but not by the patients themselves. In conclusion, according to the present findings, we may conclude that music has a stabilizing effect on the blood pressure and heart rates of patients undergoing cataract surgery. Health professionals may be educated appropriately in order to address stress reduction through music for their patients, Especially in countries with limited resources and substantial decrease in the health budget, such as India, every intervention with cost-saving potential is not only welcome, but also necessary. These were my references. Thank you.
Presentation, Doctor. Thank you so much.
As a double-edged sword, medico-legally, if you see whether to make the patient listen music, because the doctor is also listening the music. Simultaneously, what we can do is we can give the headphones to the patient so that the patient can listen and the doctor is concentrating on the surgery.
Yes, ma'am. We had a thought of doing that, but we thought that it may affect the patient's position and comfort while lying down. So that's why we avoided that.
Dr. Ruta, very nice presentation. This is in practice so many places, but in your abstract, you actually divided in two groups, isn't it? One group who are exposed to music and one group who were non-exposed to music. Yeah. But in your presentation, you have shown three groups. So probably it would have been better if you have sub-classified group B, the 25 patients who were exposed to music, you could have sub-classified them between LA and TA. And in your abstract, you have mentioned only LA, you haven't spoken about TA. So your abstract is not matching with your presentation content.
But to advantage, Doctor, anyway, Dr. Ruta is not being judged, you know that, because you're not a ratified member of the IOS. So, but yeah, what Dr. Sugato is saying is very right. Your abstract should in future always match, for any other conference, should match the presentation, what you're presenting. So I think if there are any other questions, we can go ahead with that, or we move on to the next presentation.
Dr. Ruta, I just wanted to ask what was new about this presentation, because it's a known fact that music is a factor which attends the patient. Something new about your study?
It has not been studied in cataract surgeries especially. It has studied in other surgeries. But that's why I chose this for studying cataract in cataract surgery.
Okay, you didn't get any reference regarding the role of music in during cataract surgery?
Not in this part of Western India. Not in Western India.
Thank
you. You find out the literature, you will find it. It is at least 20-year-old thing, but it's a good, you presented it, nicely presented. But it's a very known fact. And even we are using music in ROT, and most of the people are using. So it is in the literature. You please find it out.